Today we will do a quick meditation with the intention of calming down and connecting with our inner essence. So sit with a straight spine in a quiet place. Begin to settle and calm yourself. Close your eyes and relax into your posture. Let the concerns of the outside world wait for another moment, and from now on, connect with your inner self. If random thoughts arise, simply notice them, let them go without judgment, and return your attention to the practice. Feel the temperature of the environment on your skin. Notice the contact of your body with the floor. Now observe the expansion and contraction of your abdomen as you breathe. Become aware of your breathing. Feel the air entering and leaving your nostrils. Now gently expand your attention to feel the breath in your nostrils and abdomen at the same time. Expand even further and sense your entire body, feet, legs, abdomen, back, arms, shoulders, face, top of the head, breath. Just feel your living body. Now visualize yourself sitting under a waterfall in the middle of nature, in a place you like and feel safe. Feel the water touching the top of your head. Feel the water flowing down your face. Flowing over your body. Feel the water refreshing you, cleansing your body and soul. Feel the water renewing you. Feel the water healing you. Now visualize a ball of white and golden light in the center of your chest. It is your essence, your life force. Imagine it growing with every breath you take. Visualize this light expanding and filling your body. See your whole body shining. Now visualize this light radiating from your body into the surrounding space. Now return the light to the center of your chest and keep it in your heart. It is always there. Gently return your attention to your breathing, the movement of your abdomen. The air entering and leaving your nostrils. Feel the contact of your body with the floor. Feel gratitude for this precious moment of self-care and for whatever else you feel grateful for in this moment. Softly open your eyes. 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 。 . . . . .
。 .
. . . . . . . . . . . . . . .
。 . . . . . .
and keep your connection with your inner light wherever you go. Take care and see you next time